YouTube Shorts, a short-form video platform, has taken the world by storm. With its explosive growth and the opportunity to reach millions of viewers, many content creators are wondering how to turn their passion for creating short, engaging videos into a lucrative income source. In this video, we'll explore how you can make $1,000 per week from YouTube Shorts and turn your hobby into a profitable venture. Create high-quality shorts. The first step to success on YouTube Shorts is to create high-quality, engaging videos. While shorts are typically shorter than a minute, they should be visually appealing, entertaining, and relatable to your target audience. Use high-resolution cameras, good lighting, and clear audio to make your videos stand out. Consistency is key. Consistency is crucial on YouTube Shorts. Post regularly to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. A good schedule might be uploading several times a week, depending on your capacity. Remember, the more you post, the more chances you have to gain views and subscribers. Find your niche. Identify a niche that interests you and has a potential audience. Successful YouTube Shorts channels often focus on a specific theme, such as humor, tutorials, life hacks, or entertainment. By catering to a niche, you can attract a dedicated and engaged audience more easily. Optimize video titles and descriptions. Your video titles and descriptions should be catchy and relevant to your content. Use keywords that are popular within your niche to improve your video's discoverability. Ensure your description includes relevant hashtags, a brief summary of the video, and links to your other social media profiles. Engage with your audience. Engagement is a crucial factor in building a loyal viewer base. Respond to comments, ask questions, and encourage your viewers to like, share, and subscribe. This interaction will foster a sense of community around your channel. Monetize your channel. To make money on YouTube Shorts, you'll need to monetize your channel. The primary ways to do this include YouTube Partner Program, YPP. Once you've reached 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, you can apply for YPP. This program allows you to earn revenue from ads shown on your videos. Merchandise and products. You can sell merchandise related to your channel, such as branded clothing or accessories. Alternatively, you can promote affiliate products that align with your content. Crowdfunding. Platforms like Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee allow your dedicated fans to support your work by making regular contributions. Sponsorships and brand deals. As your channel grows, you may attract sponsorships and collaborations with brands looking to reach your audience. Optimize video engagement and watch time. YouTube Shorts algorithms prioritize videos with high engagement and watch time. Encourage viewers to watch your videos till the end and interact with them through likes, comments, and shares. The longer people stay engaged with your content, the more likely it is to be recommended to others. Promote your channel. Don't rely solely on YouTube's algorithm to grow your channel. Promote your shorts on other social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Engage with communities related to your niche and collaborate with other content creators. Stay informed and adapt. YouTube's algorithms and trends change over time. Stay informed about updates and adapt your content accordingly. Experiment with different video formats, styles, and trends to keep your audience engaged.